We're going to be cooking up a warming cinnamon spiced apple porridge.
If you love porridge but you're looking for a way to spruce it up a bit, do something a bit different, then you guys will love this recipe. Hi guys, it's Freya and Charlie here. Welcome to our channel. I don't know about you guys, but we absolutely love porridge. So easy, so simple to make. However, it can get a little bit boring and monotonous, so we are always looking for new, interesting ways to cook porridge. But this apple porridge is definitely a new, cozy, autumnal way of eating porridge.
Yes, we are going to be taking inspiration from some of autumn's classic dishes. Apple crumble, pumpkin pie. What we're going to do is slice the apple nice and thin, and then cook it up in some vegan butter and some lovely dark brown sugar to make sure it goes extra caramelized and delicious. Then we're going to add in some spices like cinnamon. To make sure that the porridge is extra thick and delicious and lovely, we're going to be cooking it real slow. And we've got a little hack to add in a bit more creaminess as well, which we'll show you in the recipe.
Yes, but for now, let's start cooking.
We're going to start with the apple topping. You don't want any of the apple pips, so we're removing the core first. The thinner you cut the apple, the softer it will be, so we're going to slice it nice and thinly. Place a pan on a medium heat and then melt the vegan butter. Once it's all melted, add in the apples. Give them a little stir and then add in the dark brown sugar. You could use a different sugar, but we love the caramel taste the darker sugar has. Next is the pecans. Give this a good mix too. And then we're going to be adding in the spices. It's really not very complicated. Simply give this all a good stir together and drop the heat down to a low flame. We found adding a splash of water can help if it starts to stick.
We would recommend for ultimate speediness that you do your apples and your porridge at the same time. We have done them one after the other for the purpose of this video, but we're now going to get on and show you how to make the porridge.
This is the little hack we mentioned in the start of the video. Mashing bananas into the pan to begin with is well nice. It's a little tip that we picked up from Deliciously Ella. After the oats have gone in, we're going to be adding in the flax seeds and cinnamon. Coconut oil makes it extra creamy, and then finally, in goes the non-dairy milk. We like to use almond milk. We make up the rest of the liquid with equal amounts of water to the almond milk. We cook our porridge very low and slow, and find this really helps to make it as creamy as possible. There's really not much more to it than that. Serve it up with the apples on top. Then some almond butter, and then finally some maple syrup.
Okay.
I built it.
No, I always do, but not this time.
The apples are so good.
All of those spices all working together. That is proper nice. The spices and the nut butter and the sweet maple syrup on the top as well. It's just like perfect.
It's so warming and cozy. The porridge is really creamy and sweet, and then these pecans, just a really nice crunchy texture on the top.
And the banana in there too. A real nice natural sweetness. So that is how you make our sweet cinnamon spiced apple porridge bowl.
We really hope you love the sound of this recipe and that you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please hit the like button, give it a thumbs up. We'd really appreciate it, and we will see you in our next video.
Bye!